Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Angel's Landing Permit, full guide. Start by visiting the National Park Service permit page, sign up for an account, and review availability for your chosen date and party size. Next, gather required trip details, plan alternate dates, and prepare a backup in case your first choice is unavailable. Finally, note fees, read rules carefully, and set reminders for lottery notifications and payment deadlines to secure your permit. When preparing your application, be honest and practical about dates and party size to improve chances in the lottery system. Double-check names and contact info, and include a secondary date window to increase flexibility. If walk-up permits are used, arrive early with ID and payment ready. Keep confirmations and receipts organized, set calendar reminders for lottery results, and have payment info on hand to accept and pay for any offered permit quickly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful content for hikers and planners. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading maps, guides, and checklists simple while traveling, and it's a handy companion for trip planning. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once approved, accept your permit immediately and complete payment to confirm your spot, since offers may expire quickly. Save a digital copy and print a backup, and bring government ID matching the permit details on hike day. Arrive early, check weather and trail conditions, and follow all park rules and safety guidance while on Angel's Landing. Pack essentials, stay hydrated, hike within your limits, and respect the fragile environment to keep the trail open for others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.